Ramanraj. Today I am going to speak about a greater leader and people's man K. Kamarajar. The original name of Kamarajar was Kumaraswamy Kamaraj. He was born in British India in 1903, 15th July in Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar's father Kumaraswamy Nadar was a merchant who died when Kamarajar was just 6 years old. In 1992, Kamarajar was taking part in Nagapur flag Satyagraha. He was deeply interested in politics and joined active politics at the age of 18. He was a freedom fighter and famous politician and third Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu State of Independence India. He served jail term multiple times in British India. On 13th April 1954, Kamarajar became the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for the first time. Reformation of project initiated by Kamarajar in Tamil Nadu from his Chief Minister term. Thank you for listening my speech. Have a pleasant day.